guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and just show you all the new colors that I got. Of course, nail polishes by H&M. I tend to get them once or twice a year just to see what they have for new colors, collections, formulas and such in their collection, because I saw a couple of months ago, I think 2 months ago or something, that they actually had some new lines within their nail polish collection. So I was pretty excited for that. I will share all of the information when it comes to pricing, what they're all about, of course, when I'm going to share these polishes. I'm not going to swatch them for now because I got a lot of polishes and I would really love for you guys to let me know in the comments down below what specific line from the H&M nail polish collection you would like me to do an in-depth swatch and review video about, of course, because there are so many that I think it would be a 2-hour-long video if I have to swatch them all at once. So if you're I want to see this part of that collection or maybe that collection, definitely let me know. But I got a ton of them, as I mentioned. There is some colors from their regular nail polish collection, but there are some new quick drying ones as well, which I love the bottles of. They look so sleek, so nice, and they just stack really well in my little Helmer cabinets where I actually store my nail polishes, so that's a big plus. But they also have some pure vegan plant-based polishes as well, but you will see that if you continue watching this video. But yeah, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least 3 times a week. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and please stay safe and healthy and so on, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.
So let's start with the entire haul, just showing you all the colors that I got. But first I want to give a little extra information about these polishes, because I am going to start off by showing the regular nail polishes from their standard collection. As you can see here, you have the standard one, the plant-based one, as well as the ASAP or ASAP quick dry ones. I just want to give a little extra information and just put some relaxing music for the rest of the video so you can enjoy, paint your nails while watching this, maybe even having a snack or something to drink or something like that. Just have a little relaxing me time while watching this video. But the regular polishes, which I'm showing you here first, they are actually €4.99 here in the Netherlands. Of course, prices may vary a little depending on where you live, but you can all get them at the H&M web store. They pretty much sell worldwide, so that is a big plus. The regular polishes contain 8 milliliters. Then you have the plant-based ones. Those contain 8 milliliters as well, and those are a little bit more pricey. Those are €6.99 in euros, so almost 7, which isn't super affordable anymore. But I really love the fact that 75% is actually natural ingredients and 76% is actually plant-based materials or ingredients. So yeah, I pretty much love that. And then the ASAP or ASAP quick dry polishes contain 10.5 milliliters and actually have the same pricing as the regular polishes, which are also €4.99. So in my opinion, if you want a little more bang for your buck and actually some really cool fast drying polishes in really fun colors, definitely go for the ASAP quick dry ones, because I have tried those already and I was really impressed. They are quite pigmented and they do dry really fast as well. So yeah, I'm just going to stop the rambling right here, put on some music for the rest of the video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. And as I mentioned in the intro part of the video as well, if you would like me to do some swatches of one of the 3 or maybe all collections collections from their new H&M polishes? Let me know in the comments down below. I am definitely going to be sharing some of these colors in upcoming nail polish of the week videos as well. So if you have a specific color that you've seen in this video you would really love me to share in the nail polish of the week video, let me know as well. But thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and as usual I hope to see you in my next video as well.
bye.